with Leanne. I'm here outside of the Lake Highlands Presbyterian Church and Child Development Center where some of you attend. And I want to show you some wonderful things in this great, big, beautiful world today. So here's what you're going to need. Let me get my fun activity bag. You will need a nature scavenger hunt sheet provided in your fun activity bag and something to color or draw with. I picked coloring pencils because I'm just tired of crayons right now. But you can use markers, crayons, whatever you would like. So on your scavenger hunt sheet, it says all kinds of things. So as you discover each item, color in the picture or draw right what you found in the box. Feel free to take photos of your discovery, but leave these treasures where you found them so others can enjoy them too. So we're going to go and look for all of the things on our list in this great big beautiful world. Are you ready? Do you have your sheet? Do you have your colors? Good. Okay everyone, I am on the hunt with my nature scavenger hunt sheet. So I'm just going to see if some of these things pop out at me as I'm roaming. But my biggest thing I'm looking for is 3 different kinds of trees. Now, I don't think that'll be hard because I see 3 different kinds of trees now. So I'm going to stop, color this picture on my sheet, and then keep looking. And if I see a really beautiful tree, look at all these trees I have to look at. Wow. Then I'm going to stop and take a picture of it. And maybe, if it's cooler than yours, which I don't think it will be, I'll use it in our week recap video that I'll send to all of you. Don't forget to snap those pictures. It's hot out here. Don't forget to drink plenty of water when you're outside playing. Hey everyone, look what I found. A bird. Okay, no, it's not real, but listen carefully. You can hear all the birds around me. They just didn't show up good on this video. Listen. Cool, right? Okay, have you seen any fun birds? A woodpecker? A bluebird? One with lots of colors? A little bitty one walking through your yard? Let me know. Out here looking for all the things on my scavenger hunt sheet, and I found some really cool ones. But I want to see what you find. So let me know. And I hope you have an amazing time. Don't forget to drink water and leave God's creations where you found them. Have fun!